Welcome guys! If you want to download and install iOS launcher on your REALME C11, for the first you have to go for the Play Store. Right now tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. You can select it right here. And there's important to go for the application from the Lutin developer. There's this one. There's launcher iOS 13. Click on the install and right now just wait. Click open. Okay, never mind. I think that is going to scan this application. Okay, right now we have to wait. There's the virus scan. There's the built-in application in your REALME smartphone. And as you can see, this application is safe. So right now we can smoothly open it. There we go with this launcher. You have to accept all of this stuff, then just click on the home button. And right now we have to select our iOS launcher 13 and select also the don't ask again. We have to stay with our launcher as default. Click on the we got it. And right now all of the data is loading, so we have to wait. And as you can see, right now we got our iOS launcher 13, the beta application on our REALME C11. Here we got also the widgets. We can edit and add a few of them. Go back and we have to grant the permission. So click on the permission, tap on the permissions on the iOS launcher 13 application and pick up the calendar, click allow, go back and also do the same for the phone. So right now when you go back, you can see that it's working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.